Now taken away by Ennis, who was unable to get it out. It's popped in deep down, goes down low again. Purcell chasing after it beside the net. On to Ennis, and out to center to Roy. All over Stafford. Stafford gets it over the line, takes his shot. They're all kicked to the wire. And it's jammed around on the board.
Oh,
Ennis is inside.
Oh my God!
What was that?
What was that?
We just hit a deer.
Oh my God!
Slowly and limping.
He went in pretty quickly, I'll tell you that. I don't know if
Oh my
they
God!
hit the goalpost or
Well, the
not.
deer just hit us.
Yes, it did.
Oh my God!
Yeah, its skate caught the post and kind of crushed his leg.
Oh my God!
Where's my phone? I'm gonna sit on it.
Oh, son of a bitch.
I'm sorry. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I just wish feel bad for the deer.
Stafford gets it over the line, takes his shot. They're all kicked to the wire. It's jammed around on the board.
Oh,
Ennis is inside.
Oh my God!
The
What was that?
What was that?
We just hit a deer.